Hello guys, come back to my channel.
Ini ngobrol anjing.
I've been in Gunadarma University with my class, and today I wanna tell you some of my friends inside of my class. Next to me, this is what's your name?
Hello, Nika.
Niga. And actually, it is very famous in Gunadarma University because there are many kinds of people that is available in Gunadarma University. So for you, if you wanna join in Gunadarma University, you don't never thinking again. Probably you have to be able to speak English well before you get to come here. No problem. And I'm in class because I will explain you why I'm making vlog like this, because waiting list like this, waiting my docent lesson or teach us about lesson today, while waiting I'm making vlog like this. So ask you for your subscriber, which one is more better, long hair or short hair like this? My hair can be sisir. No. Oh iya pak, thank you pak. Lebih jamet lagi. Mendingan gua. Lu orang Jepang. Okay. You know the meaning of jamet? What is it? What the meaning of jamet? What the meaning of jamet?
Jamet is kue bangunan.
No, it's wrong. Jamet is Jawa Metal. Is about a famous people in Jakarta.
Oh, okay.
I mean, there is people in Javanese. In Javanese is like Central Java, and then living out in the Jakarta, and it's called jamet. You know what I mean?
Yes, I know.
So if you from Java, especially in like me in Central Java, if you go to or living out in the Jakarta.
Subliminal mind fuck America. Welcome to a new kind of tension all across the alien nation. Everything isn't meant to be okay. The television dreams of tomorrow, we're not the ones I'm meant to follow. Though that's enough to warn you. It's not worth dying for. Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Does the pain